Road buckling was reported to the city. We came out on Sunday and actually discovered the area, which is over here to the east of where we're standing. The area had buckled over the weekend and crews came out to make temporary road repairs. All 4 traffic lanes were originally affected. Right now we have 1 east and 1 westbound lane open to traffic right now. Crews are out there making permanent repairs and we hope to have those completed by tomorrow. City officials believe that this road buckling was caused by the extreme heat and the drought that our area is experiencing.